Well, here we are back, the Old Teletrack. We're parked up here at Bramwell Roadhouse. We are so friggin' pumped to be here.
Ready to start.
So many Ks. It's been 3 years since I've been back, and just a whole new setup. Last time did not go to plan at all. So we are back, bigger than ever. I got a small little crew of us today, so we got some tech support in the background if we needed some good spotting. So just the weather is perfect, the most beautiful morning, and just not that many people around. This is going to be the most epic day ever. We're ready to get into it.
So excited.
Sit back and relax, guys. This is going to be absolutely amazing. Let's go.
Are you going to get water in that car?
Oh, no.
Sludgy. See how we go.
No water on that door sill?
Yeah, there's water on it, yeah.
Alright, we're down here at the entrance to Palm Creek, and this has gotten a lot more gnarly. This is the left line here. It's got two massive steps there, and that's massive. I think that's definitely out of the equation, but unfortunately the other line is a bit better, but not too much better. Let's go have a look at that one. Well, this is the other option here. It's knee deep leading up to this. I think it's kind of doable. Not getting too much confidence in the background here, but I think it could be worth a try. Alrighty, Palm Creek. This is probably one of the most silliest, gnarliest things I've done. I think it's just gonna fit down. This is gonna be very, very crazy, and then so is the exit. But we're here. It's one of those things. Got a good guider here. Well, Warren is very, very experienced, so I trust him. But might be a little bit of scratchy. But let's give it a go.
Wheels are coming to the edge. Me to the left as much as I can. You're pretty lined up where you are, actually. Slow now, they're dropping down.
Oh, here we go. I'm sorry, Mum.
Right. Good, you're good.
But that fridge is tied in.
Passenger. Okay, slowly. Passenger. There, slow. Just let her drop down as slow as you can.
Oh no.
Got more room on the passenger.
Oh no. This is gnarly.
Maybe 4 inches on the passenger.
Oh no. Nah.
You got about 30 centimetres before you reach the water. Okay, can you drive it out? Rolling, that's it, nice and smooth.
No.
Full passenger.
Nah.
That's it. Full passenger. Now straight. Run.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was gnarly. Shaking. Oh, that was unreal. Oh, I didn't even hit it all, did I? Wow. Whew. I'm more nervous than the next part. Oh, that was unreal. Oh, I cannot believe how that fit down there. So friggin' nice. Not out of it just yet. I'm a bit more worried about this next part, but that was whew, that was gnarly. Oh, the Tele Track. This is amazing. All right, I got the bloody sun in my eyes here. This is going to be, the hill's fine. It's more just all the mud, deep mud before it, so it's going to make the wheels so slippery. But give it a crack. If I make it first time, I'll be absolutely stoked. If I don't, I might have to put a couple of max tracks out. We do have a vehicle at the top there, so worst comes to worst, I can just winch out.
Back out.
That is mega slippery. Alright, gonna give it one more go. That is slippery as hell. Ah, Jesus Christ. Don't want to break anything there. That is slippery. Wow. Into the whole garden.
Oh wow, he really did, didn't it?
Well, I didn't think I'd be needing any recovery gear, but the first obstacle was straight into it. We're going to try and put the Max Track Extremes down, just so I can try and crawl a bit more, so just going to get a winch point, because I've already done a bit of panel damage, which was not a part of the plan, but yeah, we'll try and play it safe. Lucky there's plenty of freshwater creeks down here. Cliffy just helped me. We just pulled some logs out there. We put the Max Tracks up. I'm just going to try and crawl it, see if I get traction, get up. If it starts doing what I did before, I'll just try and just hold it there and then get the guys to winch it out. Rightio, lucky last go. This is crazy. This is very, very bloody slippery. Let's see if these are. I've got faith in them. I just don't want to just go, yeah, too hot again like I did before.
Are you on the first one?
Nah.
Yep. Stay there.
Nah. No way in hell.
Let's grab the winch.
Well, it's the first time using the Ultra winch and the recovery gear.
Is there a blanket in your pile of stuff over here?
Yeah, the blanket's up there. Please make sure that's on.
You try to that, mate.
We're out. Oh man, that was even soft winching up it. That was, yeah, that was more gnarly than what I thought. Good teamwork going on here, lads.
Bit of washing.
Yeah, a bit of washing.
Bit of laundry.
Got a couple of jocks need washing actually.
I'd rather do your Max Tracks.
That was way more gnarly than what I thought. You can see it now. That's just, there's no way you'll get up after that.
Imagine the next one.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad we did it though. I'm glad we did it. A little bit of panel damage, but we'll a couple of beers tonight, we might be able to straighten that out. Well, that's Palm Creek done. This is probably the hardest part of the start of the track. I can't believe how hard that was compared to when we were here last time. That is absolutely no joke. Twin lock 35, 16 PSI. Could maybe go harder, but again, as I did try a bit more momentum to hit it, did some panel damage. So that's the first time we just said that's the first time in 3 years we've had to winch on this car without the caravan. I think we've winched twice when we got stuck in river sand, but this is the first time we've had to winch just the car alone. So that's a new Ultra winch, so that worked absolutely brilliant. Stoked. Having the Max Tracks underneath definitely helped. You want to be able to do that where you can, just to take a bit of load off the winch. But that's done. The panel damage has hurt me a little bit, but I think we should be able to pop it out a little bit. But I don't think I'll worry about that until we until we get back, because there's plenty more tracks to go. Was around here waiting for the other guys to come through, and this chicken track, especially after the school holidays, has copped a flogging, and this is actually pretty gnarly as well. There's a guy on a Hilux here just about to come up. He's in a standard Hilux, so we'll see how we go. None of the other guys wanted to go through there, which after watching that second half, I fully understand. So I think even through here is going to be pretty full on. bloody close. All Toyota parts. Okay, passenger. Beautiful drive, mate. Beautiful drive. Rightio, Juicy Creek, I'm not sure what you call it. It's quite a fair steep entrance down here actually. Rear wheel lift going on here. Beautiful. Alright, I've got a little bit of a creek crossing here, just had a bit of a look through. It's nice and firm on the bottom. I actually don't remember this one from last time, but should be all good.
Yeah, dropping in. You're in now. Now you just got to go wherever you can. Steeper than you think, eh?
Yeah, found that out. Don't do that. I haven't got water on that door, do I?
Sorry?
There's no water on that door sill? Hey? No water on that door sill?
Yeah, there's water on it, yeah.
Darling, are you going to get water in that car?
Yeah, a little bit.
If there's water, people need to move quick.
A little bit over your door.
Alright, let's move. Get a soft shackle in it.
Same, mate, but you'll go deeper if you do.
Is there water in the car yet?
Nah.
Go winching in. That's it. Keep going.
Wow, that could have been real bad. That was most, I walked that whole thing. It was like just over, like a bit more, halfway up the shin sort of thing. And every single bit I checked, except for the one spot with my front wheel in, was like probably thigh deep. It was just absolutely huge and caught me out massively. We did not have a recovery plan there because it should have been an easy drive. And that was well up the door seal too. So the seals in these things, no water in, thank God. Oh my God.
Yeah. I'm gonna drop in now. You're on the edge now. Just let it go in. It's very slow, very slow.
It's alright, the back there?
Yeah, no, you're right. It's pretty soft. I mean, you're on your slide over, therefore.
How's the depth at the front, alright?
Yeah, easy. Now I'll tell you when your rear's going to come up. Keep going. Got about another 40, 30, 20. Okay, you're now, so just go as slow as you possibly can. That's it, drive out.
Well, that was a good little lesson, but luckily they did act quite quickly. We tried to stay calm. Even Mikayla was freaking out a little bit once there's a bit of water, and so was I, but there wasn't much you could do. But I'm going to put a core shackle on here, just so if that does happen again or something, it's just a wind straight on and boom. So I'm just going to chuck it on my brand new, these will look so good while they're bloody new. Yeah, it'd be good safety. So that's the water level just there on the bush barrier. Up to there. Now, I was sitting there for quite a while, so that's your seal down there, and thank God it was all good. It's just a little bit's come in just there, but the seals, inside seal's done its job there. But man, oh, that could have been way worse. But we did everything. I got in, walked it, I did all the right stuff, and there was just a massive spot there that just got me good. So that's the beauty of going first. So that was actually a fair angle getting down there. The guys are just chipping it away a little bit on the shovel there, because some of them still have standard rear bars, so just to be careful there. But man, that was awesome. G'day guys, I hope you're enjoying today's episode. We want to quickly interrupt because we have an extremely exciting announcement to make for you guys. As you would have seen, we're wearing our Travelling Campers merch. As we've been going around Australia for quite a while now, and the extremely exciting announcement is we now have this available to you guys. So we'd love to see you out there. This is our Team Travelling Campers range. Love to see you guys out there exploring, forward driving in our gear.
They're available right now on our website. So we've got men's, women's, kids, tees, and even some hoodies. So you can jump on right now and shop, and they'll be posted straight to you. Also on our website, we've got heaps of blog posts, so how we travel with Georgia, so traveling with a dog. We've got all about our car and our van, and also we've got how we travel full time. So if that's something you've been interested in, you can jump in and check it out, and we can even help you if that's something you want to do.
Exactly, and look, we don't ask too much from you guys at all, but look, we'd love if you take just 10 seconds to make sure, because we've seen the stats, and a lot of you guys that watch frequently aren't actually subscribed to the channel. So please just jump across, hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell. That means you won't miss a 1 minute of Travelling Camps. And look, give the video a like, jump in the comments. We love to engage with you guys. So look, just let us know your favorite takeaway, your favorite part of the episode. Chuck something in there, we'll get back to you and we can engage with you guys in there, as that's what we're trying to do, is build a Travelling Campus community of all traveling like-minded people. As we've been going around, we've been meeting so many of you guys. It's been absolutely amazing.
We absolutely love.
That's what we've been all about. So again guys, back to the episode. Thanks so much.
Coming down.
A bit more driver. Yep. Okay, just let your front passenger come down. It's on the edge now. Slow, slow. Keep coming. Okay, coming driver. Driver more. Keep coming. Okay, straight. Yep. Keep going about 30, 20. Coming down, right on the edge now. It's coming down. Okay, slow, slow, slow. You're down. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Thank you, mate. Well, we just finished up at Delhunty Creek here. We just finished up some lunch. We had some
sausages. Of course, it wouldn't be a travelling camper's lunch without having
lightly
sausages.
toasted bread too. Jeez,
well,
I like
the
what you
bread
did there.
is kind of like not.
Oh, it was a bit frozen.
Not stale. Well, because it was frozen.
It was fresh, wasn't it?
It was freshly frozen, but because I defrosted it was a little bit. Yeah,
all right, you tell me now if you just finished them. Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Nah, all good. This is an absolutely beautiful spot around here. There's no one here. It'd be perfect camping spot here. It's only making you want to wish your buddy bought the swags with you. So got a nice little drive through here. Beautiful creek. You can swim down there under the waterfall.
Gonna take Georgia down there for a little swim to cool down.
Absolutely epic. And then can keep continuing on. It's been the most amazing day so far. Alrighty, we're rolling into Birdie Creek. It's an absolutely beautiful spot down here. Nice little smooth, windy entry in here. I've got the drone up. There's a big couple of holes in this creek you really got to watch. So I've got a couple of people checking that out. Just cruise across. Watch their toes.
Plenty of room.
Give it to us. Thanks, guys.
Oh, this way out apparently.
Straight ahead looks good to me. Well, we're just on the road down to Gunshot here, only a couple of k's away, and everyone's going the other way.
Everyone's coming back.
They're all pulling up, like, nah, there's no way, there's no chicken track around it, and all that, or even maybe the chicken track's as gnarly. So crazy. I haven't really heard much about that in all the lead up. But we're still gonna go down. We'll check it out for ourselves, but if not, we might have to backtrack. But yeah, let's go have a look.
Yeah.
Rightio, we're at Gunshot, and man, it has changed a lot. This is hairy. The original Gunshot there, just pretty much looks like there's no way you can even sort of get to. Oh, Jesus Christ! I'm just trying. This is meant to be the easier option here, but there's quite a lot of slop at the bottom of it. So I really want to find a way through, because I don't really want to be defeated and have to drive all the way back.
The boys have apparently found a line that they reckon they can drive. There's a few couples here that have been camping over the other side of the creek, and they've said everybody has driven up here today and no one has driven any of the lines. So this is going to be interesting. Original Gunshot would be absolutely impossible to drive because there's like an alternative right next to it, and you sort of have to go over that to get to original Gunshot. So that's definitely not an option. And the new alternative one is pretty much like Palm Creek. It's quite steep. So just coming down to look at this now, it's quite sludgy. See how we go.
Alright, we've got a bit of a plan. We've come right around to the far left. There's one sort of the chicken track in the middle, but it's not bad, but it's really all the ingredients for throwing you into the wall. So it's definitely doable, but I think for everyone it's going to be a bit safer. We're going to We found one around the left here. There's a heap of mud after it, but we're gonna do some little Max Tracks bridge to get us up on the firm stuff, and I think we should be all right. Rightio, I'm the guinea pig going first again. We've got the stage set here. We've got a bit of a crowd going on here too, so let's see how this goes.
Start coming down now. More driver. Turn you away from it in a minute. Keep coming, driver. Driver. Hit the Max Track. Passenger.
Come back, preset.
Try and get up here.
Two.
Come on, up you come.
Oh, really? Keep going.
You might need to wear that down with your try tip. Passenger. Passenger. Keep moving. That's it. Okay.
My rear's still in.
So you need to see that bush there.
Yeah.
See that little bush? Aim for that. Need to go driver. That it. Passenger. Passenger.
Now I'm in trouble.
Keep going and see what happens now. Go back. Go back.
I should have spent straight through the guts. Straight through the guts. I'm probably better off just getting back in the ruts now.
Good. That's good. That's looking good. Good. Come on. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Okay, everybody out of the line.
Is that just air?
Well, again, that turned out to be a bit more difficult than what we thought. I went through here and I popped the bead off the tyre, so just it's just on there. I should be able to pop it back on, but that was slippy. We're trying to ride there. One was trying to get me up on the ruts there, but I think yeah, just going through it probably would have. It was pretty deep in there, but got through.
Okay. Keep your foot on the shoulder.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! Don't be silly, you. Oh, I did
Georgia, we're covered in mud. Look at your little feet.
You alright?
It's never going to be the same again.
No. I decided to change the tyre. I pumped it up to 50 something and it just got way too much shit in there, popped through that mud, so it's just made a mess of it. So very quickly just going to change this over, and then when I get back or somewhere, I might get someone to whip it off and clean it up, and happy days.
I'll put my hand like that, like a marine duck.
Have a break there, mate. Ready? Try and get that right.
I've done it in stages, so I'm not going to here. When I stop, start, always do that.
Ready to go.
Yep.
Alright, we're getting near the end of the southern half now, going through Cockatoo Creek. So there's a couple of different lines to take in here. I'm just gonna go around to the right there, I reckon, just for something different. Well, there's the southern half of the Tele Track done. That was unreal. It's 7:15. We're on the road back now. That was 11 hours and 10 minutes since we started the sign.
Bang on 8 a.m.
Yeah, so Palm Creek took us about 2 hours, and then a bit more messing around at Gunshot, and that that wasn't really even like catching up to a group and them having issues. Like we were sort of ahead of the pack. We only saw a couple other groups, but pretty much had the track to ourselves. So yeah, so by the time we get back to Bramwell, it's going to be a 12-hour day. So you definitely got to leave nice and early, or camp a couple of nights on the track. What was your favourite part?
Palm Creek at the start.
Yeah, because you weren't in the car.
Oh, it was amazing.
Even with the panel damage.
Even with the panel damage.
Oh wow,
you're
a keeper.
Still loved it.
that was epic. It's just.
What was your favourite drive?
Yeah, I'm so glad I did that hard line at Palm Creek. That was gnarly. That's probably the gnarliest thing I've done in this car.
Yeah.
100%. And yeah.
Gunshot, all the other lines, they would have been impossible.
Oh no, not impossible. No, you definitely could have done. There was a few lines there you could definitely do, but it scared a lot of people away. Like everyone was going back with that. But once we went through there, I think another crew went through after us, and they all had to winch through there. They got pretty stuck, so we cut it up pretty good. But so glad we went there, had a look, got through. There is nothing better in Australia than this track. All the tracks we've done, like just the adventure of it. Like it's not the hardest track in the world. You can make it as hard as pretty much easy. Usually you can make it easier, but even the easy spots were still pretty full on.
The chicken tracks are not chicken
this year,
tracks.
yeah. Each year, each day, each week, the track changes so much.
Even we were saying last time we were up here, it's changed so much.
Yeah, but yeah, a month ago it would have been way wetter. A month in advance from now it's going to be heaps drier, depending on the weather. But that was absolutely amazing. So stoked. Bit of panel damage. We ended up doing, popped a bead. Now my right tire's leaking as well. So
2 beads popped.
15, 16 PSIs. Yeah, maybe just through
that's all that's happened.
Smashed it through that mud. Yeah, I have to clean that up tomorrow.
Yeah, if that's all that's happened, then I think we
Not
got
too
away.
bad.
We got away pretty easy.
But we're going to tow the van up tomorrow to the second half, find somewhere there, chill out, just, yeah, fix a few things and get organised. And then the next day or the day after, time for the northern half with all the deep water.
So exciting. Who says Cape York doesn't have a car wash?
Don't wreck my knobs. They're new. We made a mess of this. Just get in the rut. Oh, a spare what? If it turns to shit and I fall in the rut, I'll just floor it. That's slippery. I'll just get in the ruts and just send it. It's doing silly shit again. Hey, I can't hear in the radio. You got me?
Can you hear us?
Yeah. Good times, eh? Just give me in the right and I'll just give it to it.
Here it is, under there.
Yeah.